Let's go pet the chicken. You ready to go? Let's go pet the chicken. Come on, let's go.
Where do we go?
It's this way. The chicken is this way. Follow me.
Chicken back.
Follow me.
Chicken back.
Come here, this way.
Chicken.
Look, there's two chickens. There's a black one and there's a white one.
I know.
You want to go see? Oh, there's a brown one sitting there too. Wow, look. Hi, little chicken. Hi. Look, there's one chicken right there. Don't they look so cute? They're so feathery. They look so soft. I want to pet them. What else is around here? Let's go check out over
I don't
here.
want to come to me. Smells
What's
disgusting.
this?
Oh, apple cider vinegar.
Do you see all these feathers? I think they're shedding a lot.
I know. Ew, it smells disgusting.
What's back here? Look, what's up here?
A chicken wind timer.
What is that? I just see a lot of feathers. They're everywhere.
Mommy,
Hi,
look,
chicken.
a chicken wind timer.
What's around here? You know, it doesn't smell too good. I think. Hello, chickens.
I see a chicken.
Do you have any eggs?
Chicken.
You're making some weird noises.
Mommy, we can let them out. Look.
No, let's go. I think that's all that's around here. Whoa, what's over there? Let's go check out over there. Look. Let's go look over here.
Where? Check where? Here?
I think I just see like boxes.
Really? The garden? Yeah,
I think it's just a garden and plants. What's over here?
Is there any boxes?
No, I don't see anything. Nothing. There's nothing.
Look, stick.
I don't see anything. But that was really fun to look at the chickens. Okay, let's go
And
back.
there's also a cubby house. I saw the cubby house.